Alright, so welcome to Pbtech. I'm Prince, and today I'm going to show you what exactly a dissect is. So this is a dissect. This is actually a tool that enables you to connect different satellites to one satellite receiver, different satellite signal to one satellite receiver. Okay, so you have here the receiver port in the middle. Okay, so receiver port in the middle over here, and then we have LNB port 1, port 2, port 3, and then port 4. Alright. Okay, so we have the receiver port here, LNB port 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so here, for you to connect two or more different satellite signal to one receiver, you connect one cable from LNB, so one cable here, another cable, and let's see, have another cable here. And then another cable for your receiver. So it should be like this. One LNB here. Another LNB here, and another one here. So you can connect up to 4. This 4-in-1 diseqc switch, so you can connect up to 4 LNBs or 4 different satellite signal to one receiver. Okay, then here goes to your receiver. Okay, so a dissect is simply a tool that helps you to get different satellite signal on one receiver. For you to get all these different satellite signal, you cannot join the cables for it to work. Alright, so here, after connecting your cables to each LNB, you need to identify the LNB. You change the settings on the dish settings, the dissect settings on the dish settings to be, let's say you choose DSTV for port 1. You need to change the dissect settings on the dish settings to port 1, to LNB 1. Alright, for you to get the DSTV signal. Okay, so this is how you need to use a dissect. Okay, for you to connect 2 different satellite signal to one receiver. Alright, thanks for watching. Bless up.